Hello and welcome to Math 30 Online, Intermediate Algebra. This is the course homepage, and I'm just going to kind of quickly scroll down here. Whenever you come into the course, you're going to be on this page. The first thing you want to do when you get into the course is click on Start Here. But after you do that, then there's a number of different modules that you can click into for each week of the class. So all the assignments for this first week are going to be right here. If you just click on that, you can go there. But there is some other information down here, like a link for applying for a semester loan calculator that you can use for free this semester at the Brentwood Center in the math lab over there. So you can go ahead and click on that if you need a graphing calculator. It will be required for this course. You can also click on my bio to read a little bit about me. I hope you'll do that. Here's the official course syllabus that I emailed everyone on the first day, some information about how to contact me and when. It also gives my schedule down here for when I am on campus at the Brentwood Center. So let's go ahead and go back up here. I'm going to click here on Start Here. And this has all the information that you need for the class. It has the actual syllabus again that I mailed, but it also has this Lab 1, which you need to complete by Wednesday. This is very, very important. If you don't complete this by Wednesday at 11:59, you will be counted as a no-show and dropped from the course. Please make sure you do that. I don't want to have to drop anybody. Okay, so that's the first thing. I'm going to go. So you can complete Lab 1. There's a lot of directions for how to do that, but I just want to talk about navigating the course. So I'm going to go back to the home, and I want to actually click into that Week 1 module. So if I click here on the Week 1 module, it's going to go ahead and take me directly to Week 1, and you'll see that there's actually 2 assignments due Wednesday. There's a quick discussion board where you're going to introduce yourself to the class, but then there's also Lab 1. And then there's 2 sections that we're going to be covering this week. There's section 3.4 and section 8.1. And now both of these are videos that are on YouTube. So it's important, and part of your grade, I think it's 5% of your grade to watch the lectures and take notes on the lectures, and you'll actually be submitting PDFs of your notes right here in Canvas. So all the homework and notes for sections 3.4 and 8.1 are due on February 2nd. That is a week from, that's at the end of the week. That's a Sunday. And so you want to make sure you complete both of those. And so here's the steps for how to do that. The notes that go along with a video are available from the bookstore. I think they're around $7 if you want to buy them. If you don't have a printer, you don't want to print them out, and you're just basically paying for the cost to print. But if you do want to print at home, or if you have a tablet where you can write electronically, that's okay too, because I do have both Word and PDF versions of the notes. So the first thing you want to do before you click on the lectures, you're going to want to open up either the Word or PDF version of the notes. I'm going to go ahead and open up the PDF version. And once you do that, you can go ahead and print this out. You may need to download it to actually print it out. Download open, and then once you have it opened, then you can go ahead and print this out so you're able to write on it. So notice kind of what these notes look like. There's some definitions at the beginning and then some problems to fill in. Well, what you're going to notice is that if we go back here to our Week 1 module, here's Week 1. If we go back here and I click on the section 3.4 lecture, you're going to have a video here. And I'm going to mute that, but it has me talking over the same notes that we just opened up, the PDF. And so as I talk, you will see writing happening on the screen. And basically, it's like you're taking notes in class. You can listen and follow along. The best thing about this is that you are not beholden to the speed at which the entire class is going. If everything makes sense and you can go at a fast speed, you can just follow straight through the video. But if you're someone that needs a little bit more time, if you need to go back and re-watch certain things, you are welcome to do that. You can watch any video as many times as you like. But again, these videos are made by me and they go along with the notes. So you are supposed to take notes on the video. Once you have done that, I'm going to go ahead and close out of here. So once you've taken all your notes on this document that you've printed out or bought from the bookstore, then you're going to come back here to our week 1 module. And right after the lecture and the note documents, there's this assignment. It's section 3.4, completed notes. And you're going to submit a scanned copy of your notes. Now, the easiest way to scan notes is by using a free app on your cell phone where you take pictures of the document and then convert it to a PDF. So you'll kind of click in here, and you're going to hit submit. I'm actually in the teacher version. You know what? Let me go here and get in the student version so you can see what it's going to look like. Sorry about that. So I'm going to go to settings, open up my student view. Bear with me real quick. All right, so week 1, and I'm going to click on completed notes. So what you're going to do in completed notes is once you have your notes scanned, you're going to hit submit assignment. And then you're just going to come here to browse and you're going to find that file and go ahead and submit it. It's as simple as that. And I will give you full credit as long as your notes are completely done, all pages. So one thing I recommend is make sure you check the file before you submit it to make sure all the pages are there. Sometimes there can be some errors with that. So anyway, that's the first assignment, or the first thing you have to do. So I'm going to leave there, go back to my week 1 module, and then you'll notice after you've done the notes, then you want to do the homework. And the homework, you may have taken math classes in the past where you had to buy an online homework system. Well, I'm actually using a free system that works right in Canvas. It's called MyOpenMath, and I hope you're going to like it. So you just kind of click on it, and it's going to allow you to do your homework, like I said, right in here. And these are problems that are similar to the ones in the videos, the lecture notes. And everyone looks a little bit different, but you'll notice with this assignment that there's some help things up here, like there's a video that you can watch, or there's a bunch of videos extra videos that kind of go along with it, videos about functions and different things. I don't know if you'll find those helpful. Sometimes the videos are actually right here in each question and relate to the question. But you can go through here. Now, one thing I want to show you, I'm going to click here to say, let's go to question 13. So this one is asking you to find 3 different answers here to answer the question. And notice it says this is attempt 1 of 3. Each question you get 3 attempts on. So I'm going to go ahead and submit no answer here. And so say, oh, you didn't put an answer in. Are you sure you want to submit? Yeah, I'm going to say yes. And it says, oh, you missed them all, which of course we knew. And then we're going to have another attempt. This is now 2 of 3. I'm going to submit. I'm going to get the same warning, which takes us to attempt 3 of 3. And when I hit submit, it's going to again tell me I'm wrong. And now I have no more submissions. Now you can message me if you want to ask me a question about that, but you can also go here to try a similar question. And when you click that, you're going to notice that these numbers are going to change. It's going to be the same question. You'll get 3 more attempts. So yeah, now the numbers changed a little bit and you can work through it as you can see. So that's the homework. Make sure you do that. Again, you can do every problem as many times as you like. That's the great thing about it. All right, so I'm going to go back to the week 1 module. And so you have that. You have your section 3.4. Notice you're going to do the same thing with section 8.1. You're going to watch the video, take notes, turn in the notes, do the homework. Now, those assignments for sections 3.4 and 8.1 are due on Sunday, February 2nd, but we have 2 assignments due on Wednesday that have to be done by Wednesday. If you do not complete them by Wednesday, you will be counted as a no-show, like I said, and you will be dropped from the class. So Lab 1, it doesn't have really any math to do. It's just an orientation thing. So again, you want to open up the document. And once you open up the document, you want to answer the questions about navigating the course. And then, just like the last time, you are going to submit this assignment. You're going to come in here, you're going to select your scanned PDF, and you're going to submit that. So anyway, that's all I really wanted to cover here. I know you're going to have questions, so please contact me, message me in Canvas, email me, whatever you want to do. But anyway, I look forward to working with you. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.